Mavic Air, activating the aircraft. Connect the battery to the charger to awake and fully charge it. Connect a mobile device to the remote controller. Power on the remote controller and aircraft. Ensure that the mobile device is connected to the internet. Name your Mavic Air. Set a control mode. The default stick mode is Mode 2. Select your preferred measurement system. It is also recommended to enable beginner mode if this is your first time flying. Confirm your activation account and tap Activate. Thank you for watching.